So it's a great day to unbox. Yeah. Whatever. So cut. So yeah, it's a gloomy day, and why not open up some new stuff? Just a little background for those of you that don't know me. I closed my salon and started a brand new nail business where I'm just solely doing nails, no longer hair and nails, just nails. So, which is, like I said, I'm starting all over, so just having to get rebrand first of all, because like I said, I closed that old salon and everything with it pretty much. I still have my name, Book J. Nicole, but it's no longer J. Nicole the salon. I now have a suite in South Nashville. It's called y'all like my hair? Hair by Kiera. Yeah, okay. The nail room. That's what my fiance says. So I'm gonna unbox some stuff that I got this week. I get stuff like all the time because I'm building and just getting everything that I need for this suite and for the brand. So first up is So Expressive. Yeah, she's a real sweetheart. She does custom embroidery for businesses, and let me show you what I got. I've already gotten some things from her before. I got the shirts and a hat. I think I'm gonna do some more hats. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay, so this is what I already have from her. I got this custom hat embroidered. It says the nail room. This is just from the sticker that comes on it. I really not ready to wash it yet, but yeah. So it's called a dad hat. I love it. Very good quality. I throw it on, especially on my bad hair days. Which I do have, because I do not feel like, as a hairstylist, okay, people be like, why you gotta go get your hair done and you do hair? I want to be pampered. It's too much, like, it's just too much work doing my own. I can do it, but I just don't want to. I want to, just be pampered sometimes, just feel good. So I'll go get my hair done and my nails too if I want to. I got my brows done from Browology. I got my lashes done from Fairy Lash Mother. Okay, so this is the shirt. I know I'd be rambling. This is the shirt. Can you see that? Another great quality item. It's long sleeve because I stay cold, so I wear long sleeve all year round. This is like extremely hot, then I might have on a short sleeve shirt. But yeah, this is the shirt. I will be ordering some more of these because this is a large. I should have got extra large. I ain't gonna talk about that too much. So the other thing I got from my shop is from So Expressive. This I love her. Everything is so personal. I love packaging, and I love, like last time she gave me this thank you card, and see, here's another one. Thank you for supporting our small business. It's not gonna be small for long because she's gonna blow up, okay? Because that's how good her quality and service is like on point. I don't have to wait a long time. There's not a lot of back and forth. It's just tell me what you want. She'll give you the proofs and you okay it, and then it's just on to printing. So this is a special personal note. May all the year to come be great. The good will outweigh the less good. I love it. It's just positive. Hunt the good stuff always. Thanks for supporting this small business in 2021. So expressive. I love it. And then this is her card. Okay, you may not be able to see that. My light might be too bright. Can you? Okay. Now, if you go on Instagram, it's I'm so expressive. So is spelled S-E-W. Like you're sewing. Creative. Okay, this is something else, y'all. I don't even think I need to be showing y'all this because, okay, it's just something I got a gift certificate for some money off. Wow. Thank you, Erica. This is so sweet. Thank you. I definitely need some more things. So I will be using this ASAP. So let's get to the goods. That was great. So if you're a nail tech, you know how you get dusty, okay? Dusty. And what if you got somewhere to be after you get done working? You got all this dust, and I wear black a lot so you can really see the dust. So I got this to go over my clothes. See that? And I got her to print my license number on there. Well, not print, but embroider. Everything is embroidered. I think she's offering printing now. You'll have to check with her, but I love embroidery. So yeah, she was able to do this for me. I'm gonna try it on. Ooh. She professional. Yeah, I'm just like really branding everything, which is very important when building a business. Everything needs to be consistent with the design and from what you wear. You are a walking billboard at all times. So if I, you know, have to run in somewhere, I'm gonna have this or this or this on, so I could be representing my brand at all times, and that's how you grow. That's how people get to know you. You have to put yourself out there on the daily. So I'm making sure I am covered and smothered in my brand. Did y'all see them lashes? Okay, so that was that. And so I also got towels. She embroidered some towels for me. I think I got like 24 towels. She can provide them or you can provide them to her. So what I did was, since I'm like always on the go and on the run and barely have time to stop for myself, I just went online, ordered some, and just had them shipped from Amazon. You know, you could put someone else's address in there. So I just ordered them on Amazon and had them shipped to her, and she was able to do this service for me. Prices are very reasonable, but you have to check with her for that. I can't quote y'all on anything that she offers. So just reach out and she'll get right back with you, I promise. Very professional lady, okay? Very. So yeah, I got 24 of these towels. You know, table towels, for my pedicure chair, hand towels to dry hand, or, you know, whatever. I am covered. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is like some retail items. So maybe get some hats made to retail, and that, you know, can kind of help my bottom line, bring in some more income. My thing is I just gotta think of some fun things to actually put on a hat. And with embroidery, I know you have to, you know, you pay the one-time fee to get the type setting for whatever design you're getting, because they have to set, it's a service. And if you go anywhere, you have to pay that logo, that creation fee, like that set fee, that one time. Now, if you change what you're getting done, you're gonna have to pay that again. So I'm sticking with this, but as far as like getting a retail hat done, I'll have to pay that fee again to get something new created. And then once you have that created, you could get that put on whatever and not have to pay that creation fee again. But it's just, I can't remember. It's like a one-time setting fee, you know, when they set the machine and everything and get it right for you know, what you're getting. Anywhere you go, you have to pay that fee. So I think you have to do it with like screen printing too. I'm not sure. But that's it from So Expressive today, okay? Okay, so yeah. So that's just, okay, that's it. I'm just gonna, I'll do a part 2 with my second box, okay? So this is branding, okay? And the next box that I'm gonna open is product. Stay tuned.